Good. What kind of soup is this?
Vegetable soup. That is for you.
Wow. Very delicious.
Thank you. You got it. So this is my Euphoria. And this is my fish. I'm still going to put fish inside again. There we go. Yeah, to do that. Chawa.
As you can see, this is the Euphoria, also known as vegetable soup. If you like it, guys,
Order from us.
order. Lagos, Banana Island. Very delicious foods. So it's steaming, beautiful. Wow, very delicious. So these are also more things we did, like the fish, the dodo, as you can see. Very well done dodos.
Very well done to do this.
Sliced into small parts. Very delicious. Order from us. So see,
These are our beans.
that's beans. Nigerian beans, of course.
Foreign beans.
Correct. So this is everything. Hope you like, guys. Always available 247.
So now our vegetable soup is ready.
Now the vegetable soup is ready. As you can see, well done. The fish, the locust beans, the pomo, what's pomo in English?
Cow skin.
The cow skin, and Titus. Titus.
Dry fish.
And
Smoked
dry fish, smoked one. Very beautiful, right?
So our soup is ready.
The soup is ready. Sorry about my cough. The soup is ready. Make sure when you are cooking, if you want to learn some video tutorials,